Hi, this is Robert, and welcome to Robert's Road Less Traveled. We're currently at Catalina State Park, Tucson, Arizona, near the beautiful Saguaro National Park East and near the town of Oro Valley. It's very peaceful. Looks like it's in the middle of the nowhere, but it's actually only like 3 miles from Walmart, restaurants, gas stations. Catalina State Park has two campgrounds, A and B. Both have water and electric. There is a dump station, but there's no full hookup on any sites. Campsites can accommodate all sizes. There's back-ins and also pull-throughs, and I'm going to show you several of the sites. Really, they're all about the same other than back-in or pull-through. The sites that you're looking at today are in Loop A, and this is a typical pull-through. I think this is site 24, and this is site 22. This is site 20, it's a back-in.